you lift up your name here?
My name is Amos Mutai Birir.
Clerk, can you
I,
take the
Amos
witness?
Mutai Birir, I do solemnly swear that evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate shall be the truth and the whole truth and nothing but truth. So help me God.
Could you tell the Senate your full names, please? The witness I've called is called Amos B, and this affidavit is at page 125 to page 127. Mheshimiwa, yes. You prefer to use English or Kiswahili?
May I use English?
Sorry?
I can use English.
And if you could move closer to there.
The witness, can you stand near the microphone? And we want you to be loud enough for the senators to hear you.
May I request you indicate your names? Sema majina yako, say your names in full.
Yes, my names are Amos Mutai Birir, MCA representing the great people of Kapkatet Ward.
In Kericho County?
In Kericho County.
Okay. And you are here on the case of the issue of the impeachment of the governor?
Yes.
And you saw an affidavit. I would like you to be shown an affidavit at page 125 to 127. Could you confirm that is your affidavit?
Yes.
That's your affidavit. And it was commissioned by who? I want you to look at page 127.
I sworn affidavit.
Yes.
Chepen Ngetich.
And where is she based?
The Marisha building in Kericho.
You saw that affidavit and you'd like to rely on it in support of your case?
Yes.
Okay. I would like you to be shown also page 113 to page 116. That's an affidavit sworn by how many people?
18.
And are you amongst the 18?
I was among the 18.
You signed that affidavit?
Yes.
And was it commissioned by a commissioner of oaths?
Brand Kibrotich.
And where is he based?
The same building.
In which town?
In Kericho.
Okay. Now, were you in the county assembly on the 15th of August 2025?
I was in
the county assembly.
In the county assembly.
And what was the issue in the assembly on that day?
On 15.
Yes.
It was a special sitting.
For?
It was a special sitting for impeachment, which was brought by Honorable Rogoin.
So it was it was discussion on the impeachment of Honorable Rogoin, of the governor.
Of the governor.
Brought by Honorable Rogoin.
Yes.
Okay, and then there was at a certain point there was voting, isn't it?
Yes. On that day, after discussion, there was voting.
Okay. Did you vote?
I never vote.
What did you do?
What I did.
Yes.
Because already I was suspicious about the machine.
Yes.
When we discussed about using machines,
yes.
I thought we were using manual.
Yes.
But before that day,
yes.
On 14, I got a message that my name was already being registered in the system. Somebody wrote and say, Amos Birir is among, even though I was on the other side, I'm on that. I'm on the side of yes. That is why I was
on the side of doing what?
of voting
in support of impeachment. Okay. So I want us to stick to 15th of August, Mheshimiwa. So you say you didn't vote?
I never vote. I'm an old man and I can say the truth.
Yes. Could you just?
That is why I raised the Bible.
Yes.
And may I request the Honorable Speaker, if you can allow me to say in vernacular mother tongue, I can give my people advice, because raising a Bible in front of these senators and say something which is not true.
Okay. Okay.
I request if you can give me to give advice to the people of Kericho Assembly to know you cannot stay longer if you say bold things.
Witness.
So I want to take you back.
Witness, I encourage you to speak in the parliamentary language, because you represent the great people of your ward, and I'm sure business in Kericho County is transacted either in Kiswahili or in English. So I encourage you. No, for now we proceed in the parliamentary language until we have a translator. We don't have an official translator right now. So,
because it is good to give advice. Maybe they are not understand. It is good to give advice for young people. I am 63 years old. I am an old man, and I know this. What's in.
With your permission, Mr. Speaker, sir, may I plead with you? Let's just, if you prefer Kiswahili, let's use Kiswahili.
Yes.
We are struggling with time. With your kindly, please. Yes. Okay.
Proceed in the parliamentary language that you choose, either Swahili or English. For now, because of time.
Would you like to use Kiswahili?
May I use English?
English, okay. Yes. Thank you. Yes. But the senators have taken seriously your comments. Okay. Yes. Now, so I was asking you, you didn't vote. What did you do? Please just answer that question.
And when we were inside,
yes,
I can see these people. Okay. I honor this house.
Okay. Just Mr.
I honor
Witness.
This house.
Okay, Mr. Witness. Just listen to me. So your position is that you did not vote, isn't it?
Didn't vote.
Okay, let's move on to the
next.
And
I can even repeat to raise the Bible.
Okay. So I want to move on to the next issue. So the county assembly came with data suggesting that you voted. What do you have to say about that indication that you voted? Please just answer, and time is really not on our side.
So without wasting time,
yes,
I want to keep something which is
no. Just answer my question. So the county assembly came with information, list of people who voted in support of impeachment, and your name is one of them. And I just want you to comment before the honorable senators and the speaker whether that information is correct, that Amos is amongst the people who voted in favor of impeachment.
So that is why I was asking, but may I talk in English, because if the
so just answer the question directly.
Not allowed me.
Just answer the question directly, please.
I never vote, and I'm still repeating, I never vote.
So that information, is it correct or wrong?
It is wrong, because I was surprised when I hear my name already vote.
So it's not.
That is why I was asking.
It's not correct. Just a minute. It's not correct.
It is not correct,
okay.
And it is
okay. Let's move
a
on.
member who give my documents to use to apologize, because I was not.
Okay. Then the other question.
Speaker, give me. I'm too.
Okay. Then the next question I want to ask you is: had you been trained to use this system?
No, it was my first time. I've never seen.
You had never seen that?
I thought it was manual.
You had expected it to be manual?
Yes.
And did you ask for it to be used to be manual?
We asked, all of us, we stood up.
How many were you?
We were 18.
And what happened when you requested?
We were not given even the chance to talk.
Okay. So, I want to, you will be asked a few questions by the county assembly, and then we see from there. Madam Speaker, in terms of leading the witness in evidence in chief, I want to leave it there.
Counsel for the County Assembly can proceed.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. And good morning, Mr. Amos Birir.
Good morning, sir.
You have portrayed yourself as an extremely honest person who cannot lie under oath or after lifting the Bible, correct?
Yes.
You have repeated that.
I am not a liar.
You are not a liar, correct?
I am not a liar.
You are not a liar.
Yes.
Should we then, in the course of these investigations, find that you are a liar, what should this House do to you?
Keep master. You can give it evidence.
I am asking a question. What should this House do to you if, in the course of these investigations, it is found out that indeed you have lied under oath and after lifting the Bible? What should we do?
I am saying something which I am sure I am not saying. Maybe unless I was dreaming.
There are two issues then that would arise if we find that you are a liar. One is that your evidence will be thrown out. Number two, you risk being charged with an offense called perjury. Are you willing to take that responsibility?
What? You just repeat.
I'm telling you this, okay? Should we find out that you have lied under oath and after lifting the Bible, there are two consequences. One is that your evidence will be thrown out because it is not credible, and number two, you risk facing criminal charges for lying under oath. Are you ready to take that responsibility before I ask you those questions? Are you ready or not?
Why? If I'm sure I'm never make a mistake, I am ready to answer.
Thank you. I'm also informed that you are fondly referred to as Trump, correct?
Huh?
You are referred to as Trump.
Yes.
Your nickname is Trump, correct?
My name is nickname, political name is Trump.
Your political name is Trump?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, there is an affidavit you have sworn that is contained at page 113 of volume 1 of the governor's documents. (121), 113, page 113. You confirm that that is your affidavit? You're among the people who saw that affidavit, correct?
I'm among them.
You're among them?
Yes.
And you have confirmed that that affidavit was sworn before a lawyer called Brian Kiprotich Langat, correct?
Yes.
My simple question is, what time of the day was this affidavit sworn?
The date of affidavit?
Yes.
So it was 15.
That, I'm asking about the time. The affidavit sworn by 18 people. What time of the day was it sworn?
I've forgotten the time, but we met on 15th.
What time? You can tell us. You can approximate.
I've just forgotten the time, but I make it on 15th.
You can surely remember morning, afternoon, what time? You went to an office, correct?
I went to an office.
What time did you go to that office to swear that affidavit? You are a man of extreme honesty.
Time is only, I've forgotten the time, but it was on 15.
Okay, which period of the day?
Huh?
Which period of the day?
15 was Friday.
I'm not asking about the day. I'm asking about the time. You're a very honest person, surely. These are events that you recall vividly, because they're very personal to you.
Yes.
What time of the day did you go to swear this affidavit?
I've forgotten that one. Otherwise, I'm saying there's something which is truth.
You do not want to answer. You do not want to answer. Time is not a complicated issue, surely. You remember everything about the events of this day.
Yes.
And I'm asking you, what time of the day did you go to vote, to sign this affidavit? Is it during the day or during the night? During the day or during the night?
After
During the day or during the night?
After lunch.
After lunch?
Yes.
Afternoon hours?
After 2 hours.
Thank you.
So it was almost night.
Thank you. A very honest person.
Yes.
After lunch, you went to swear this affidavit. What time were the proceedings terminated at the county assembly?
Proceed.
What time did you finish the impeachment motion?
The time it was almost, we started 6:30.
So you finished at around 8 p.m.
Around 8 p.m. to 8:30.
But you went somehow to swear this affidavit after lunch on the same day, 15th of August, 2025. Mr. Honest.
That is why I was telling you, time was.
That's why you wanted to avoid answering this question.
Mm-hmm. Continue.
You wanted this Senate to bank on your credibility as a mature person and a Christian, someone who cannot lie on oath. That is your first lie. Remember the consequences, Mr. Trump?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to the second one. You have also confirmed that 18 of you did not vote, correct?
Yes.
And that 18 of you even protested before the motion was debated, correct?
We, all of us do that.
And counsel for the governor, Mr. Katwa Kigen, my senior, made that declaration in the floor of the House, correct?
Yes, he made it.
Counsel Katwa Kigen was not your lawyer. He was the lawyer representing the governor, correct?
Yes.
How would Katwa Kigen know that there were 18 people who are not going to support this motion? And
he was in.
How would he know that you are not going to support this motion?
He was in when the discussion was.
Oh, he was part of the discussion?
No, he was in on behalf of the governor.
On behalf of the governor?
Yes.
Had you met the governor and his lawyer before you went to chambers to discuss your position and promised him that you would not vote for this motion?
On that day, it was a special sitting when we were discussing.
That's not my question, Mr. Witness.
Yes.
Mr. Honest. Had you met the governor and his lawyer and pledged your loyalty and promised him that you would not support the impeachment motion before you went to the House?
First of all, we were asking which way can we
You're
vote?
not answering my question. Had you met the governor and his lawyer before you went to the assembly and promised him that you would not vote for it, and therefore the lawyer was confident that he had 18 people? My question is, had you met the governor or the lawyer in advance?
Yes, he was aware that we were.
You had met him?
Yes, we were not voting.
Oh, and you pledged your loyalty?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I believe that statement. That's a very honest statement by you. Mr. Witness, I've also looked at your affidavit, okay? First, also confirm. I'm looking at your affidavit at page. At page 125. Volume 1. Volume 1 of the governor's response. That is your affidavit at page 125, correct? Correct?
Yes.
I need to hear you confirm. Is that your affidavit?
Yes.
That is your affidavit. And you confirm that the contents of this affidavit are true and correct, right?
It is true because I'm the one saying.
You're the one saying.
Yes.
The contents are correct, right? Every part of it.
Every part of it is true.
So should we find again that you have lied under oath, are you still ready to bear the consequences? You already have one consequence to bear. Do you still wish to bear the consequences of lying under oath? I want to ask you specifically.
Counsel, he had answered that question. You have to advance to the next question.
Thank you. Mr. Trump, you have alluded at paragraph 10 at page 127. All right?
The only mistake which
No, I have not asked you a question. Yes. You have alluded at paragraph 10, page 127, that your phone does not have internet. Is that still your statement? My phone is not internet enabled. It is not GPS enabled.
Yes, no internet.
You have gone ahead at page 138 to attach a mulikamuizi, confirming that this is your phone that is not internet enabled. Do you still want to confirm?
Yes, I have it here.
Oh, you have it right there?
Yes, this one.
Thank you. That is the only phone you have.
Another phone.
That is the only phone you have.
Another phone.
I have not asked you. I'm asking you, is that the only phone you have?
I have two, but my PA is using for operating the work in my ward.
Oh, your PA?
I have another big one.
You have another one?
But my secretary and
but
PA
here,
are using...
In your affidavit, you confirm that your phone is not internet enabled.
This one?
Are you saying that you have another phone that is internet enabled?
Another one, I say, the most which I'm using is this one. Even in payroll,
Thank you.
Payroll is using
Thank you.
This
That's okay.
Even the message I was given.
That's okay, Mr. Trump. You might be having too many numbers,
Yes.
too many phones, okay?
Yes.
But you have one number, correct?
Yes.
Your main number is 1. Your personal number is 1.
I have two, especially my PA are using to in Crown when I'm working in.
What is the number in the phone that you are holding? Your phone number?
0720.
0720-382136, correct?
Yeah, even this one is for payroll.
No. I have not asked you a question. Your number is 0720-382136, correct?
It is correct.
And that is the number that is not internet enabled that you're using.
It is not internet.
It is not internet.
Yes.
Just doing a very simple exercise here. I took time to log into this now, to save this number. Mr. Trump, this is a WhatsApp of you with this same number. Confirm whether this is your image. If it is not, just say, that's not my WhatsApp number. Is that your image, your profile picture?
This is my picture.
Okay. Can an internet not enabled phone be registered on WhatsApp?
The most...
Answer the question. If your phone is not internet enabled, can you be registered on WhatsApp?
What I've said...
It's a yes or no.
I have two, I have two numbers.
Council, can you allow him to answer?
I have two numbers.
You have two numbers.
011140398. This one is operating in WhatsApp and Facebook. And those who are using is my PA and secretary. Registered.
Did you state that under oath, that you have other phones that
I have
are
another
internet?
phone. I have two phones.
Kindly read. Let me read for you. I do not want to take you through the trap. I wish to also explain paragraph 10. My phone is not internet enabled. It is not GPRS enabled. Could therefore neither receive the link nor vote, hence I did not. My telephone handset, which I have always had and which is in public domain, is Tecno T528. I have annexed a screenshot of my phone, make and model.
I don't want to speak lie.
There is always a line that is in a phone. You cannot use a phone without a line, correct?
There is.
Can you use a phone without a mobile line?
The two phones, one is operating Facebook and WhatsApp.
WhatsApp is the number linked service. The number that I have just shown you is the phone you are holding, your line that you are holding, which is on WhatsApp. I put it to you before you walked into these chambers, Mr. Honest.
Yes.
You changed your number from your smartphone to the Mulikamwizi with the aim of hoodwinking the senators. What would you say?
I'm ready to speak the truth.
Why is that still number on WhatsApp? Why is that same number on WhatsApp?
It is not this one. It is not this one.
I'm
repeating, it is not this one.
Mr. Witness, look at page 21 of volume 6A of the County Assembly's document. There is a screenshot of your WhatsApp that has been extracted from 3 WhatsApp groups that you're in the County Assembly of Kericho. Are you in any WhatsApp group in Kericho County Assembly? Are you in any of the 3? Are you in any of the groups?
Yes.
Oh, you are in groups, WhatsApp groups, with a phone that is not internet enabled.
I'm included the group of the members of the assembly.
Thank you. Mr. Birir, I put it to you that in this country we have dishonest people, then we have liars, and then we have you. What would you say?
What I'm telling you, I'm saying the truth. This phone is not working for the internet, and if you want to prove, this is the phone which I was given the message, which they say I vote yes.
My last question, Mr. Birir, is that you have lied on oath in an affidavit. You have also lied on oath after raising the Bible before the senators. Why would these senators believe you when you say that you did not vote on that fateful day?
I never vote. Still, I am saying the truth. I never vote.
That is all for this witness.
If you want to repeat the Bible, I can repeat. I never vote. That is why I was requesting Honorable Speaker to give me a chance to advise young people not to use lies.
Thank you, witness. Council Katwa Kigen, do you have any re-exam for this witness?
Mheshimiwa, do you admit that you operate a WhatsApp platform? Do you have a WhatsApp contact?
I have, but those who are operating is my BA, and I don't know what it is.
Just a minute, Mheshimiwa. Just listen to the question.
Yes.
So you actually have it?
I have it.
Okay. Who is operating it?
The PA and the secretary.
Do you know how to operate it yourself?
I don't know, even if you can give me now. I know, I'm doing the writing.
Okay. Do you have a Facebook account? Facebook?
That one, we might
Please just answer the question. Do you have a Facebook account?
I have.
Okay. And who is operating it?
The PA and the secretary.
And do you know how to operate it?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm saying the truth.
And you have the phone that you say you always have?
This is the one without internet.
This is the phone you've always had?
Even in the office.
In the office, in the constituency, at the assembly?
Yes.
And does it have internet?
No internet.
It has no internet. And you're saying the truth?
Yes.
Okay. I am sure the Senate will call you another day to give the explanation of why we should say the truth. I would like to leave the questions there, Madam Speaker, and I don't have any more.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Council Katwa Kigen. I'll give the senators a few minutes to ask questions to this witness and to the next. Make it direct and very short. What's your point of order, Senator Eddy?
Mr. I don't know how we can be able to get your attention on this.
Can the clerk assist Senator Eddy? That's a special problem on his desk. The rest I can read on the board. So you'll be assisted in a little while by the clerk's assistance. Senator Professor Tom Ojenda, you have a question? Okay. Senator,
yes.
You have a question?
Yes, I do. Yes, Mr. Witness, I hope you now confirm that you can communicate in English. Now, I want you to confirm. You said you do not operate any of your gadgets, correct?
Yes, I'm operating using this one, but when I'm working in my ward, I used to work with my the PA and the secretary to assist me when checking in.
So is it possible that your PA or secretary voted for you?
No, he's not voting.
Have they sworn affidavits to confirm that they did not use your gadgets to vote for you?
The voting came through this poll.
Don't cross-examine the witness. Just give him, pose the questions through the chair, and then you let the witness proceed. Order, senators. And use simple English, Professor, please. Proceed.
Now, yes. You saw a joint affidavit. You saw an affidavit of 18 people.
Yes.
Were you all together at the time? Did you all believe in the same thing? And did you agree not to vote?
We agree one thing. We agree.
So he's in order, Professor. Senator Methu, the chair is in charge. Can you allow the chair to run the House?
We are all 18.
Professor, I think those are enough questions from you. Let's have the next senator, Senator George Mungai.
Thank you, Speaker. Honorable Trump, let me refer you to your affidavit on page 125, number 7, where you are saying that the Speaker of the County Assembly forced voting using electronic voting. Can you tell this House how the forcefulness was used? Thank you.
And on that day, on a special sitting, we took discussion past, and then we reached an agreement which we never agree. We tried to ask which way can we use. Mr. Speaker insisted that we have to use electronic. And some of us who were already suspected that the machine was not good, we refused. And we stood up and say, we are not voting because this machine, we are suspecting it is not a good machine. And on that day, it was the first time. We have never seen that machine. It was that particular day which was told we have to use this electronic. When we use the dispute, we never make an agreement with the Speaker. There was no agreement which we made that we have to use that machine. We were not given time.
Thank you. Senator Chirarike. Questions direct, and we are spending about 5 minutes on this session.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Just clarity. Mheshimiwa Trump.
Yes.
Is your number 0720382136? No, just clarity.
Yes.
Clarity.
Senator Chirarike, pose the questions for him, and then he will answer
clarity.
them.
Is this through the chair? Is this chair? Can you protect us? Senator Methu is not the Speaker.
Read out the number
Chair.
to him, but don't cross-examine him.
Okay.
Let him just...
I can be assisted to write down so that I ask. So, Mheshimiwa, is this your number through the Speaker, 0720382136?
Yes.
Number 2, the second clarification I'll be requesting, finally, Chair, is on affidavit number 10. In these Facebook and WhatsApp accounts, who controls them? And is there a possibility, as my colleagues have asked on clarity, do you trust your secretary and your PA not to have voted on your behalf? I yield, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. You can proceed to answer, witness. Senator Methu and John Derito will follow next.
I want to answer. You asked a question, I want to answer you. Yes, I agree the PA and secretary is not voting, because the phone which I am using is this one, and the message which was voting on that day is this Mulika. I was given the message to do this one, and the message is here. I am ready to show you the evidence of the link. It is here. And this one I'm working all the day. During Paction 7, I'm assisting the people working in my ward. I used to work with my PA to operate. I don't know. I'm not saying something which is not true. I've never operated. The PA and the secretary is working. This is the phone calling, talking with my friends, talking with my honorable members. Is this one?
Thank you. Thank you. Senator Medhu, proceed.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. May I quote Article 159, 2D. I had looked at it. Justice should or shall be administered without undue regard to procedural technicalities. This being a key witness, Honorable Speaker, I would have wished that you allow him to speak in a language that he is most comfortable, including putting the leader of majority on oath so that they can interpret to us. But now, since that is already passed by events.
It's already passed. Concentrate on the questions.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, you can see and you can hear that part of what he's saying is extremely important. And you actually have seen that he's struggling. Maybe two very, very quick questions that I want to ask to the witness, Honorable Trump. Number one, this link that was sent for you to vote, was it sent to the phone that you have there?
Yes, it is here.
Or the phone that was sent by the PA?
No. I was given by the ICT people in the office of where the election was made.
No, maybe allow me to ask the question.
Next question, that one is answered.
I was not voting at home. I was voting in the assembly.
Now, my second question, that link that was sent to that phone, did you attempt to open it? Did you attempt to open that message that was sent to your phone?
When I was in assembly, I left my phone in the car. This one.
So you came and found the message?
I found after that the message is there.
Then maybe finally.
And that message is still there up to now.
Maybe finally, because I personally believe that you are telling the truth. So which judge do you
huh? Judge.
Your time is up, Senator Medhu.
Kanisagani?
Senator Medhu, resume your seat.
You want to know my church? Wonders. I'm a Christian. Wonders Church. Yeah. Yes.
Senator Kenywa.
Yes, he has right to say, to ask.
Asante Bi Speaker. Shahidi, ulipokuwa ukianza kuongea, mheshimiwa, ulisema ya kwamba tarehe 14 iko mtu alikujulisha ya kwamba uchaguzi utakaofanywa utakuwa tayari na mukshi. Kwa hivyo wewe haukuamini ya kwamba hizo vifaa vingetumika kwa njia inayofaa. Kwa hivyo ningependa tu kujua ni nani alikufahamisha tarehe 14 kabla hamjaenda katika uchaguzi. Jambo la pili, mwenyekiti, ni vizuri ya kwamba huyu shahidi angelikubaliwa ongee kwa lugha ambayo anaifahamu, anaimenya, ndio tuweze kuelewa, kwa sababu naona ana shida akijaribu kujieleza, anakasirika kwa sababu hasemi maneno, kwa sababu mheshimiwa Speaker, unapoongea kwa Kiingereza unatumia akili yako. Ukiongea kwa lugha ya mama unatumia roho. Ninaona yeye angetaka kutumia roho. Yes. Ndio tuweze kumuelewa vizuri. Na Mkarimani yuko hapa kwa sababu kiongozi walio wengi amesomea mambo ya lugha, angetafsiri.
Senator Kenywa, you are risking running out of order now, because I've given a direction on that issue and the witness has proceeded, finished, has been cross-examined and re-examined, and now it's just clarifications. Senator Eddie. Witness will answer together with these questions that are coming.
Honorable Amos,
Yes.
you've said before this House that you have a Facebook account. You know that you have got a Facebook account that is being run by your PA and your assistant.
Yes.
Can you give this House the exact name of that Facebook account? That's my first question. Can you give us the exact name of your Facebook account? Number two, if you did not vote, as a Senate you were not there, can you tell us who voted for you, and is there a way you can verify that that person voted for you? Who do you think voted for you? And can you tell us as a Senate, who is this person, so that we can verify that person?
Senator Beatrice Akinyi-Ogola, you keep those questions and you'll answer them together.
Yes, I'm keeping.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Honorable Member, as an elder, there seems to have been a problem in your county for some times.
Yes.
What alternative dispute resolution methods have you initiated as an elder to solve some of these problems that you have in the county? And secondly, is there any time the Assembly has initiated something like an impeachment for the CECs you have? Because it is the Assembly that vets these CECs, and it looks like there are problems in those sectors. What have you done about it?
Thank you. Senator Kio, and then we'll let the witness answer those ones before we go to the next segment of questions. Give him the mic, please.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. One observation and one question. It would appear, Madam Speaker, that it is true that, that a lot of people fear technology. It's not new. It happens all over. Change. Technology is a problem for a lot of people. Madam Speaker, what I want to know from the witness through you, and any of the lawyers can respond to this, is whether this electronic system of voting was ever used before the vote against the governor, or it has ever been used after the vote to remove the governor. Because it would appear like this could have been a special purpose vehicle whose aim was just to prosecute the impeachment, and after that it just disappears. Madam Speaker, I submit.
Witness, you can proceed to answer those questions, please.
Yes, I want to ask a question which, since being I'm an elder, actually we have been facing many problems, especially member impeachment. One time, there was an impeachment of especially these committees and CECs. But according to me, being an elder, it is not good because we are not working for the development, for the people. Because instead of us working all the time, impeachment. I remember one time we came up to deputy president, former deputy president, and we voted for majority, which means we are only fighting for seats, we are not working for the people. That is, we need, even I'm requesting honorable senators, pray for us because we are now handing time. If it is our work to come and bring promises which are, things which are not good, which are not truth, it is not good. We are ending. Our people will suffer because all the world are now staring at us here. This is the second time. This is the second. We came another time. We never reached. We came up to this place, but we never make anything. Even I was among them. But last time I refused impeachment because I was not sent to come and impeach the governor. We were coming to work together because assembly cannot work alone. We were coming to work with the people, not to make impeachment every time. So my advice, these things we can take home. We can call some people, elders people, to come and see us, because if it is our work to all the time making impeachment, we cannot work for my people. So what I want to ask the question which honorable member, there is a member who asked me, was your vote, well, your BA vote for you? It was not vote for me, because if it was vote for me, this thing, he has no title assembly. The message of assembly is there, and it is existing up to now. How can my PA have a stamp which shows Kericho County Assembly? The message is there. If my PA vote for me, you could have sent me a message which say, PA vote for you. Huh? But the title is Kericho County Assembly, which my PA he has no that stamp for Kericho County Assembly. Do you know the reason I was requesting to talk in particular? Because we have many people who understand. Even Gerarge, Mheshimiwa Gerarge is here. I was trying to tell members of assembly, let us not make things which are not true to be true, because an old man like me to come and lie here is not good. I have children, and it is good. It is not good for me to come here and say lies. I stand by and I say no, 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 and I remain with no. If I was given a good chance to vote, I can vote. But because we were given pressure, people were shouting inside. There was no security. People were fighting. Was it a normal voting? If people were fighting, shouting in the house, I'm saying the truth. I want to honor.
Have you finished the answers to their questions?
Yes, somebody was asking me if he was asking me, is this habit of problem facing the assembly? Actually, it is true. Senator, you ask a question of hii imekuwa kama exercise all the time. Impeachment, committee, removing my majority, removing of two speaker, removing of chair, finance. It is not normal.
Senator Seki Olelenku.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Birir, we have understand that, yes, it is true you've not voted, because the gadget you have is not enabling internet. Then the one that you have that enables internet is with the secretary and the PA.
And the PA.
How do you convince this House that that PA is not the one who voted for you, now that they're the one operating that machine for you?
Yes, I'm ready to answer that one. And I agree with my PA, is not vote for me. Because this is the second time I'm repeating, because you asked a similar question. And yes, no stamp which County Assembly of Kericho. It was ported by somebody who was inside. And that is why I was asking to keep advice in particular to our young people to know when you make something wrong, you can be given answer by God. Because you cannot say an old man like me voted and he refused to answer. It was made by somebody. And I was asking if it is one of my child or yesterday I was here and we all of us.
Witness, I think you have already answered that question.
Sasa.
And Honorable Senators, we had about a segment of 5 minutes on this witness. So, and I'm seeing the dashboard is full. At this pace, we might never finish before the close of day today. I want to urge the senators, if you have a question that has not been asked, that's the only person I'll give a chance. Maybe 2 people.